no! Oh! Oh! Oh no! Hello everyone, welcome back to Scott's Honest Reviews. So today we are reviewing a cordless hand vac. I'll put a link in the video description if you are interested. This is model number H20-4. So we're going to go ahead and set everything out here and show you what all you get inside this package. You get a little brush and a manual. You got the charging cable. You got the device itself, which is a beautiful black and white color combo mixed. Nice on and off button. We'll get to more features in a moment. You got nozzle end number 1. So this has a flip out brush end. That just simply flips back, just like that. You got a circle filter. You have another nozzle end. It's got hard fabric right on here. And you got its charging dock. So this will be used to charge the device. So for the charging base, it works simply like this. This sets on and it charges your vacuum. So you would go ahead and you would plug this end like that, and then this gets plugged into the wall outlet and it will charge your vacuum cleaner. So to turn it on, you go ahead and press. So you got two different modes. You got low to medium, and then you got high power. Which that is a lot of suction. Go ahead and press down, that pops open, and you can go ahead and over here you see locking, you just twist and that pops right out. So that's how you clean anything that's inside there. So to know how this goes back in, you see the indents right in here. That simply lines up with your indent right here. So the easiest way to put this on if you have trouble is put it on when everything's out. So all you do is you just place it and turn it like this, pop it in and then twist it and you're good to go. And then line up the small end with the small end right in here, and that just slides right down in place. That's going to be your easiest way of doing this. And there we go. But keep in mind there are two different indents. You got this one and you got this one, which is much wider. So you do have to line it up a little bit and know which is which. So that's the smaller indent. So we know that indent would go and match up against the smaller indent on this side. And that just pops right in like that. And that has a filter right on here as well that you can clean. Place that back in. Hey Mom, I'm hungry. Just grab yourself some cereal. Okay, Mom. Oh no. Oh no. I made a mess. Quick, Mom has this new vacuum. Okay. I can clean it up before she even knows about it. We need full power for this one. And just like that, you can take a mess and clean it right up. If you guys are interested in this, I'll put a link in my video description. Overall, I like it. it is designed a little cheaper, but then again, you're also paying a cheaper price. So I think we can give it a 5.7 out of 10, which would be about a rating 3 out of 5 stars. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys have a good day.